Looker versus Power BI versus Tableau. Which analytics tool is best? Choosing the right analytics platform can completely transform how your business understands its data, makes decisions, and communicates insights across teams. Looker, Power BI, and Tableau are three of the most widely used business intelligence tools available today, each built with a different type of user and organization in mind. Looker focuses on governed, data model-driven analytics for technical teams. Power BI delivers deep Microsoft ecosystem integration at an accessible price, and Tableau is renowned for its powerful and flexible data visualization capabilities. This comparison breaks down how each platform works so you can choose the one that fits your data needs. Looker is a cloud-based business intelligence platform owned by Google that centers its approach around a proprietary data modeling language called LookML, which allows data teams to define business metrics and logic in one central place. This governance-first approach ensures that everyone in an organization is working from the same definitions and data sources, which reduces inconsistencies and improves trust in reported numbers. Looker integrates deeply with modern cloud data warehouses like BigQuery, Snowflake, and Redshift, making it a natural fit for organizations already operating in a cloud-first data environment. Its interface is clean and accessible for business users once the underlying models are built, though the initial setup and modeling work requires significant technical investment. Looker is best suited for data-driven organizations with dedicated data engineering teams who need a governed and scalable analytics platform built around a single source of truth. Power BI is Microsoft's business intelligence platform and one of the most widely adopted analytics tools in the world, largely due to its competitive pricing and seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. It connects easily with Excel, Azure, SQL Server, and hundreds of other data sources, making it a natural choice for organizations already running on Microsoft infrastructure. Power BI Desktop offers a powerful and feature-rich environment for building reports and dashboards, and its DAX formula language gives analysts deep control over calculations and data modeling. Regular monthly updates from Microsoft mean the platform is constantly improving, and its large user community provides an extensive library of tutorials, templates, and support resources. Power BI is best suited for businesses of all sizes that are invested in the Microsoft ecosystem and need a capable and cost-effective analytics solution for their teams. Tableau is one of the most respected data visualization platforms in the industry, known for its ability to handle complex datasets and produce visually compelling and highly interactive dashboards. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it accessible to analysts who may not have deep coding skills, while its underlying engine is powerful enough to satisfy the demands of experienced data professionals. Tableau connects to a wide range of data sources and excels at exploratory analysis, allowing users to quickly slice and dice data and uncover insights through visual exploration. It is now part of the Salesforce ecosystem, which has expanded its integration options for organizations using Salesforce CRM. Tableau is best suited for analysts, data teams, and organizations that prioritize deep visualization capabilities and want a platform that handles complex analytical work with flexibility and power. Feature comparison. Looker, Power BI, and Tableau each lead in different areas of the analytics landscape. Looker is the strongest choice for organizations that need governed metrics and a centralized data model managed by a technical team. Power BI offers the best value for Microsoft-centric organizations that need broad capability at a lower cost. Tableau remains the gold standard for visualization quality and exploratory analysis for teams where data presentation and depth of insight matter most. Final thoughts: if your organization needs centralized data governance and you have the technical resources to build and maintain data models, Looker delivers a scalable and reliable foundation. If you are already in the Microsoft ecosystem and need a capable analytics platform at a strong price point, Power BI is difficult to beat. If your team prioritizes visual storytelling, exploratory analysis, and producing dashboards that genuinely impress, Tableau remains one of the most powerful tools available. The best platform depends on your team's technical capability, existing infrastructure, and what you value most in analytics.